Shipment to Egypt about 841 million. It's small. Maybe the export trader will be able to help the facilitator to grow this. But currently, Nigeria exports raffia seed. Raffia seed to Egypt. Processed rubber. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Whole sesame seed. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Hibiscus flower. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Ginger. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Dry split ginger. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Cocoa butter. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Dudu osun, black soap. Dudu osun, black soap. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Dry split ginger. Dark bronze glass. Dark bronze glass. What does Nigeria export to Egypt? Dark bronze glass.